welcome back to another video. So we are looking at a song by Koda, and I believe his name is Hammond something. Okay, so key of B flat, but I'll be playing the key of F. Okay, so they started off with some chord progression before the intro that I just played was introduced. Okay, so they started off from the 1, then the 5 to the 4, okay, then to the 1. So that's when they started singing. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Okay, the same thing when they were singing from the rising of the sun, all the same chords. Okay, the 1, the 5, and the 4, then the 1 back. Okay, so let's dive into the intro that I was playing just a moment earlier. So do so so do so so do so so do so fa mi re do ti re so ti re so ti re so ti re so fa mi re do la do so la do so la do so la do so fa mi re do so. Okay, so one more time. So do so so do so so do so so do so fa mi re do ti re so ti re so ti re so ti re so fa mi re do la do so la do so la do so la do so fa mi re do so. Okay, so when you add the right hand, okay, so basically that's what they use for this particular one. So and I think 2 punches was introduced, so that's what I want us to look at. So basically the song, the 1 5 4 throughout. Then I think Dana say, as for Dana say, yeah, by all means I know you know how to play, so let's concentrate on the punch. Okay, I don't know how to sing it though, but I'm going to try my best to hum it or sing it. Moses niña me dicha kokono fero ni nesha fa fa di wanna chi din 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 then so that is so latido. Okay, then so la so then mi fa. Okay, so la so mi fa ma woni na wu. Basically that's what they use, and the rest of the song just basic progression, just normal song. Okay, so subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. I'll see you in another video. Bye.